Jay Leshark here for your Phuket weekly weather for the first week of September. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Wow!
September is here, which is good, isn't it? I think so. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, then make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. Okay, good. But before that, I've got something to show you. Farmer Shark's here. Woo-woo! Alright, Farmer Shark here. Going to show you my little planting box. A few things happened since we last seen. Right, this one here, that's sunflower. I did have a few more, but they've been eaten by something. This one, this is bok choy or pak choy. Don't know how you say it. Then this one, the long one here, that's corn. This one here, this is cucumber. It's doing quite nice. And then over in my tomatoes, I've only got 2 plants left. They haven't done quite well. They seem to be eaten. Something else is gone. And this row here, you see, that's new. That's lettuce. That's right, we like a bit of lettuce. But something has been doing its naughty business and digging. And there's some animals have been crushing my stuff. Not good. Anyway, there you go. That's my plant box. But I want to show you one other thing. And this is my compost. That's right, look at here. That's compost, that is. It's lovely, isn't it? You want to make some compost yourself, you can do. All right, there you go. Top tip, right. Let's go do the weather. Yeah, see? Farmer Shark. It's good, isn't it? One day I'll be a farmer. That's right. Still have to pay inheritance tax, though. Anyway, enough about that. Right. Weekly weather for the first week of September. Oh my God, it's almost Christmas. But before we get through September, we got to do the last day of August. So, Sunday 31st, now we're on the windy app, and this shows us what the wind's doing, and this is what we use to see what the swell's going to be like and if the weather's going to be bad or not. So, blue and purple are good. Green is a little bit windy, and when you see yellow and orange over here, that's really windy. And as you can see, Phuket is here, got Phang Nga Bay is here, and then Phi Phi's down here. So this is Sunday morning, 8 o'clock on Sunday morning, and it is a little bit windy on the west coast there. It might be a bit bumpy going down to Phi Phi this morning, that's for sure. Let's look at this afternoon. Oh, wowzers. It's going to be a bit of a wet and windy day today, that's for sure. But, fingers crossed, September ends. Who did that song? That was Green Day, wasn't it? Until September ends. I don't know the song. Miguel will put it on, I'm sure he will.
Wake me up when September ends.
Or we could do Earth, Wind and Fire, September. Another good song, that one. Another song with September in the title. Should have researched that. Anyway, there we go. Monday, the 1st of September. Oh, wow, that's my word. So that's Monday. This is 5 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, super windy on Monday. Monday afternoon, eases off, but it's still quite greeny. I'd imagine that PP will be quite bumpy on Monday. So if you are thinking of going out Monday, definitely go to Phang Nga Bay, that's for sure. Monday evening, drops off Monday evening, which is good. Tuesday morning, it's not as windy as it was. There's lots of blue over here, less windy in PP, not much wind in Phang Nga Bay. So Tuesday looks a good day to go out. Tuesday afternoon looks great. So it looks like Sunday and Monday don't look very good, but Tuesday looks okay. Let's look at Wednesday the 3rd. Yeah, lovely, purple, blue, gorgeous. Yes, a little bit of green on the west coast, but we don't go that side. We go that side towards Phang Nga and Phi Phi, which is nice. Let's look at Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon looks good as well. Looks really nice, actually, Wednesday. Thursday the 4th, not much. Not too shabby. Thursday the 4th looks okay. Thursday afternoon, perfect. Thursday, so Wednesday, Thursday look great. Friday the 5th, okay, a little bit bumpy, maybe going down to Phi Phi, but nothing too much to worry about. Let's look at Friday afternoon. Similar to in the morning. Might be a little bit bumpy coming back, but once again, nothing too much to worry about. Saturday the 6th. Oh, what am I doing Saturday? I'm emceeing at a horse riding event on Saturday the 6th. There you go, Saturday the 6th. Looks nice. So next Saturday looks really good. Saturday afternoon. okay, a little bit windy Saturday afternoon, so maybe coming back from Phi Phi might be a bit bumpy, but Phang Nga Bay looks nice. And Sunday the 7th, what's happening Sunday the 7th? Why is that a special day? Not sure. That's because it's my daughter's birthday and she's behind the camera reading a book. And she just gave me a death stare. Anyway, it's her birthday. Happy birthday for next Sunday, Zahara. Happy with that? You got a little bit of a smile. Anyway, Sunday afternoon, a little bit windy. So it looks like we're not going to go out. Oh, hello. We're not going to go out Sunday afternoon for my daughter's birthday. Maybe we'll do something else. But there you go. That's your windy. Now let's look at our acute weather. I know it's quite small and it's white on white, so it's hard to see. But look, Monday, there's a 96% chance of rain. In fact, Sunday today, there's a 99% chance of rain. But we know that because it's raining right now. Tuesday eases off to 62%. Wednesday, it says 91, but Wednesday looked really nice on the wind. It didn't look like it started to change. Thursday drops off the rain down to 59%. Friday, 60%. Saturday, 55%. Sunday, 50%. So it does look like the weather gets better as of Wednesday next week. So there might be a little bit of rain. Well, it's definitely rain because I can see it out the window right now. There's rain on Sunday and Monday, maybe a bit on Tuesday and Wednesday it starts to drop off. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday look really good days to go out on a boat. And for some reason, I'm going to click on this. There's no reason whatsoever because this is live. You can actually see the rain that's happening right now. There's a little bit of green rain right there. You can't see it. It's very, very small. And that's right on top pretty much where I live. And that's what's happening. This shows us what the rain's coming and it's live. So we watch this in the office all day long to see where the rain's coming in. So there you go. That is your weekly weather forecast. Oh, don't go on a bad day. Let's find a good day. Saturday. Was it Friday? Friday afternoon. Thursday. There you go, looks nice. So that is your weekly weather forecast with me, Jay Leshark, live from, well, no, I'm live. This is recorded, obviously, from my house. Hopefully we're back in the office next week. It does look like a good week to go out, especially from Wednesday onwards. If you've got any questions about the weather, we don't know what the weather's going to do on the 2nd of November at 4 p.m. I'm very, very sorry. Some people do ask that, and we don't know. But we can guess. And that's all we do, really, is guess. But go and check out our shorts on YouTube because we do every other day or every 3 days, we do a daily weather update, which is live from wherever I am. And that shows you what the weather's doing exactly on that day. So you can go and check it out. All right, good. Please like and subscribe and share the love. Share the video. I got to go back out into my garden because it's starting to rain. I've got to cover a few things up. Thanks for watching. Peace. Woo woo. We want blah, 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 blah.